Steve Lobel, Adrian, tell him.
Yo, Fantasy Factory. It's only like that. Downtown, West Coast.
Look at this. Rob Dyrdek, Fantasy Factory. Steve Lobel standing here. My man Jeremy manages him.
What?
Nipsey Hussle's in the studio with drama. We're gonna get that West Coast hit. All you people don't really get to see. Like, I'm gonna have Nipsey skateboard real quick before we leave. You know?
He's not really gonna be here. It's real tight back there.
Steve Lobel at the skateboard factory. Whoa, Steve Lobel at the skateboard factory. You think I can do it? I won't fuck with that. Dangerous. We're gonna get Nipsey Hussle in there. We're gonna put that up on fucking YouTube.
That'll be hilarious.
Ain't fantasy, y'all know what it is, man. Check it out though. I'm finna
Come on, Nip, get on the skateboard.
Sack, man.
He's the biggest artist on World Star.
Neighborhood Net Plus, so y'all know what it is. Slauson boys, all money in, no money out. We getting it in right now, man. You know, check us out.
Get on the skateboard.
Where the skateboard?
Right over there.
Oh.
Hoodster riding the skateboard. I'm gonna put this up real quick. You're not gonna fall, he said.
I ain't going to no ramps, cuz.
Biggest artist on World Star. Come on, man.
Come on, though, cuz. I'm gonna put a trick. You ride skateboards in the hood, too, you feel me?
He said they ride skateboards in the hood.
We chilling, though, you know?
Go do that. Go do that ramp right there.
Hey, girl, do that shit. Ain't no way. Do that shit, bro. No way. Hey. That's some hood, though. What is that? It's phone, cuz. I know what it is. We chilling, man. Having fun. World Star Hip Hop. Neighborhood Nip. Feel me? Bro, scared to get on. Come on, Steve. Your turn.
Hell no.
Come on, cuz.
Hell no. Hold it. Come here, Sam.
Neighborhood
This is
Nip
my little brother.
Slauson boys. We chilling up. Fantasy Factory. I'm tired. I just hopped off the bike. We getting
See Jeremy Lana right here, Rob Dyrdek's manager with the Fantasy Factory. It's Steve Lobel, that's Nipsey Hussle.
all that.
It's
Gangster.
Hoodsters. They don't call themselves gangsters,
Yeah,
they call them
two
hoodsters.
fingers and a thumb like this.
And he's bringing back old stories in Loon Party in New York. Youngest, smartest entrepreneur.
Check it out, man. It's
Jeremy
real,
Lana.
it's
You
a
see
real
him on the Fantasy Factory
movement
show with
going
Rob
on.
Dyrdek. You saw Nipsey Hussle on the bike and on the skateboard.
Got
World
the
Star
raps
Hip
and
Hop.
shit.
Step your game up. Step your game up, baby. Get that number while you can.
Yeah.
Woo!
Start
No
to
limit.
bling that card, it don't stop. Yeah. Stay tuned.
You know what it is, Steve Lobel, Nipsey Hussle, JL, Jeremy. We at the Fantasy Factory. We're gonna come back and see Rob next time.